restoration. Here we have a steering wheel from a Ferrari 330, and you see it's got this engraving on the spokes there. And this is a Walshaw wheel, not an Nardi steering wheel, and it has a few splits in the rim here, and the just general wear and tear, nothing too terrible. We're going to repolish this very carefully, not to damage the engraving, and we're going to strip the rim of the original lacquer and mend these splits and re-lacquer it. That's a Walshaw Wheels 330 Ferrari steering wheel. Pull from steering wheel restoration. Here we have a Ferrari steering wheel. This is off a 330 Ferrari. We stripped all the lacquer off it, polished the spokes and repaired the various splits in the rim, and we've re-lacquered it with new polyester lacquer, and as you can see, it's been polished to a high standard. That's 330 Ferrari.